What if I told you there is a secret the prop trading industry doesn't want you to know? A truth hidden behind flashy ads and promises of big money. One that could change the way you see every funded account offer out there. Today, I'm about to reveal what really happens behind the scenes at prop firms. And trust me, once you know the truth, you'll never look at those challenges the same way again. Hello, welcome to Bamboo Trader channel. Let's start with the basics. What is a prop firm? A prop firm is a company that claims to provide talented traders with access to large trading capital. But before you get that funded account, you have to pass a challenge, a set of rules and targets designed to test your skills. So what are these rules? Typically, you are not allowed to lose more than 5% of your account balance in a single day, and you can't lose more than 12% overall. For example, if you're trading a 10K account, losing $500 in one day or dropping your balance below $8,800 means you failed the challenge, and the fee you paid to enter, that's gone. It's not just about avoiding losses. To actually pass, you need to hit profit targets, usually 8% in the first phase and 4% in the second. Some firms might set these at 10 and 5%, but the idea is the same. You have to prove you can make money, not just avoid losing it. And here's another important detail. Even if you do make a profit, you don't get to keep all of it. Most prop firms offer an 80% profit split, meaning you keep 80% of your profits and the firm keeps 20% as their share. So if you make $1,000 in profit, you'll actually receive $800, while the prop firm keeps $200. There's a small bonus for traders too. After your first withdrawal, most prop firms refund your challenge fee. But let's be honest, most traders never make it that far. Now, you know what a prop firm is. Let's get to the real story. Based on its stats, only about 10% of traders actually pass the challenge and get a funded account. But here's the kicker. Only around 7% of all challenge takers ever make a real withdrawable profit. That means more than 90% of traders either lose their accounts or never see a single dollar of profit. So why would a prop firm risk giving real money to traders when it's so much easier and safer to pay out the few winners using the fees from the many who fail? Let's break it down. First, if a prop firm actually gave out real money, they would have to tie up capital in broker accounts, exposing themselves to real market risk. Second, even the best traders can have losing streaks. If a funded trader blows up, that's a direct loss for the firm. Third, it's almost impossible to tell who's a truly consistent trader and who just got lucky during the challenge. And fourth, the prop firm's profit share is only 20%, which isn't worth the risk of putting their money on the line. So instead, most prop firms operate on a much simpler and more profitable model. They use the money from failed challenges to pay out the rare winners. Let's put some numbers to this. Imagine a 10K challenge account costs $90. Now, let's say 100 traders buy this challenge. That's $9,000 in total challenge fees. Statistically, only about 7 out of those 100 will ever make a real withdrawal. Let's say each of those 7 traders make a 4% profit on their 10K account. That's $400 each or $2,800 total. But remember, with an 80% profit split, the trader only gets $320 and the prop firm keeps $80 from each $400 profit. So the prop firm collects $9,000 in fees and pays out $3,000 to the traders. Even after all payouts and refunds, the firm is still left with a solid profit, around $6,000. And if you think this is just a theory, look at what happens with My Forex Funds. My Forex Funds, or MFF, was one of the biggest names in the industry. until regulators stepped in and exposed how the business really worked. It turns out that most of the trading was simulated, not live, and the real money was made from selling challenges, not from trading profits. So next time you see an ad promising you a funded account and a shot at trading big money, remember, the real winners in the prop firm game are usually the firms themselves, not the traders. If you found this video eye-opening, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what trading topic you want me to break down next. Stay rooted, my friend.